Alright guys, back again here. We're going to be doing a tool review slash demo of the Stanliner sword tool. These sword tools are actually phenomenal for getting in really tight areas with just tremendous power because they're made from 1/2 inch stock, as you can see here, and they kind of taper down to a nice sharp knife at the end there, and you can see craftsmanship is absolutely awesome. These are all handmade, but stay tuned and we're going to show you how these things work. Okay, so here's some extreme damage on this left quarter panel, this Nissan Altima. We're going to be repairing this using the paintless dent removal method. We're going to repair this without doing any kind of wet sanding or polishing of any kind, just to kind of show you the quality you can achieve towards the ending stages of this repair using these sword tools. So we'll start it off here. We've already got a lot of this moved. I started filming this about maybe 15-20 minutes into the repair already, but it's starting to take shape, as you can see. We're using all different types of rods to get in there from those factory openings. Alright, so here is the 40-inch sword tool. As you can see, that super sharp, thin blade at the end there is great for getting in tight areas. We're going to use the heel for some wider pushes, just like that. We'll flip it around and get to the very edge. And that's the beauty of these Stanliner tools, is that the multifunctionality is actually really good. They're not just good at one thing, they're good at pretty much all of the things. Whether it's twisting, blending, or pushing, you're going to find yourself working a lot cleaner and faster with these tools. And here I'm demonstrating the blending technique from the inside. We blend from the outside, so why not blend from the inside if we can? This knife or blade, this rounded blade is great. I mean, absolutely fantastic for you're not overextending that metal to the point where you're leaving like hides in it. You're almost just like giving it a controlled tap from the inside, which creates a great finish in the end. Alright, so here's a look at the progress, and I would say this is roughly about 80% into the repair. As you can see, very smooth finish. Still have quite a bit to do on this one, but we'll keep you posted. Here is the 27-inch sword tool. Same exact design, just a little bit shorter, obviously. Super stout tool for sure. It's got the same sharp knife head there. Great for slicing into glue or cutting any glue within braces. But I'm using this one in particular for cross-checking this section here. Now I'm able to look down at a different angle and cross-check this particular damage for the fine-tuning stages. Okay, we are done with this repair. Roughly about 6 hours into this one here. Had a really happy customer in the end. Going to do a slow pan to kind of show you the results that these tools helped me to produce in the end. Came out great. These tools are available at stanlinertools.com. Highly recommend picking them up if you can. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.